Welcome to Exammap. We are back with the part 2nd for the preparation of Indian polity for UPSC 2023. You can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, or you can message us on our WhatsApp number for personal guidance and notes. So in this video we will talk about how to prepare, means from the sources about the Indian polity. So first you need to study everything in the depth for UPSC civil services examination, and we already discussed the syllabus or the subtopics for the preparation of Indian polity. You can and you should prepare each of that topics thoroughly to attempt the question asked from the polity syllabus for UPSC. So here are some tips for the preparation of Indian polity for UPSC. First, if you have no idea about the polity or about the constitution, you should read from the NCERTs. From class 6th to 12th, the NCERTs of political science. The NCERTs for the basic knowledge of polity. You will learn about some terms or some basic knowledge from the NCERT of the polity, and you can also enroll in Super 100 program of Exammap to get all NCERT notes. Then second, you should jump to the basic books. So first one, the most common book for the Indian polity is Laxmikanth, or you can read from the Introduction to Indian Constitution by D.D. Basu for deep understanding of the subject. So you can cover the all topics from the Laxmikanth book. This book is the best for the Indian polity, and you will get all the topics and syllabus of the UPSC in one book. Then solve the past or previous year question papers of UPSC prelims or means. If you have any idea about the type of question, then you are able to solve the polity questions in the paper. So if you want any help in revising efficiently and effectively, you can message us on our WhatsApp number to solve previous year question in a test series mode for free. Then you must give mock test, which is scheduled at least 2 or 3 mock tests per week. You can't clear exam without mock test. Mock test will help you to know the question, how the questions are asking for the polity, or how you can tackle the problems of the polity questions in the examination hall. It works as your practice. And as I already told you in the last or part first class of the Indian polity, that you should read newspaper for some topics like schemes at central and state level, and some bills or etc. topics, and you can make notes from them also. So if you need further any guidance for Indian polity, you can enroll Super 100 program. Thank you class.